Hello guys, and welcome to lesson 3 in my CorelDRAW masterclass. Today I'm going to show you the keyboard shortcuts in CorelDRAW. And stay to the end of this tutorial because I'm going to be showing you how to locate all keyboard shortcuts in CorelDRAW. The first essential keyboard shortcut I would like to show you is the Ctrl N, and this creates new file. So for example, if I hold down Ctrl and select N on my keyboard, it's going to pop up this dialog box that allows us to create a new document. So you're already familiar with this box, so you can come over here and select the kind of document you want, and once you're okay with that, you give it a title, select the number of pages and hit OK, and automatically you can see we've created a new document here. So this is our previous document here, and this is our new document that we have created over here. So the next keyboard shortcut is Ctrl Z. For example, if I come over here and select the rectangle tool and I draw a rectangle, and I come over here and I give this a color by selecting a color over here, if I decide to undo that step, all I need to do is to hit Ctrl Z. But what if I actually made two steps? For example, I gave it blue over here, and then I decided to give it red and decided to give it pink. Now if I hit Ctrl Z to move one step backward, and I decide I want to bring back that color, all I need to do is to hit Ctrl Shift and Z, and that will bring it one step forward. The next keyboard shortcut is the P. Now for example, if I come over here and select my picker tool over here and I select this rectangle over here, I can hit P on my keyboard, and this will automatically place that object at the middle of my canvas or my document over here. Also, for example, if I come over here and I select the ellipse tool over here and I hold down Ctrl and draw a perfect circle, let's say I draw a few more circles over here, I'm going to select the pick tool over here and give this a color so it becomes more visible. Make this yellow and just make this blue. If I select this first circle over here and hold down Shift and select others to highlight them all, if I should hit the letter C on my keyboard, that's going to align everything vertically. But if I should hit E, so the letter E aligns all the objects to the center horizontally, while the letter C aligns all the objects to the center vertically. Now if I deselect them and I decide to bring them out one after the other once more, now if I should hold down Shift and select everything separately, the next keyboard shortcut is letter T. What that does is that it aligns all the objects to the top of the last object that I selected, which is this rectangle over here. So you can see that everything is at the exact same point at the top of this rectangle. But if I should select the letter B, it aligns to the bottom of the rectangle here because the rectangle is the last object I selected. If I should select the next keyboard shortcut L, it's going to align all the objects to the left portion of that rectangle over here. If I should select the keyboard shortcut R, it's going to align all the other objects to the right portion of the rectangle over there. Another important keyboard shortcut is the weld tool. Now if I should select this item over here and drag it here, and I select this item here and I place this on top of this other circle over here. Now if I should hold down the Shift key to select them both and hit W and deselect it, if I move this out, you'll notice that nothing has happened. The reason is that there is no keyboard shortcut applied to it. To add a keyboard shortcut, all you need to do is to come over here to Tools and come to Option and select Customization and come down and select Commands, and if it's your first time, it's going to be on General. You want to change it to Shortcut and come over here and search for Weld. So that's W-E-L-D. Now if you select the weld over here, you can give it a keyboard shortcut. I'm going to assign the keyboard shortcut W to it and hit OK. Now if I should select this once more and place it above this, now hold down the Shift key to highlight them both and now select W on my keyboard, what you have seen here is that both objects have joined and become one, and that's what welding is. It makes both objects become one. And the keyboard shortcut is W. To simplify an object, you can select this circle for example and pull it out. Now if you want to simplify an object, if I place this circle on top of this rectangle over here and I hold down the Shift key to highlight these both items over here, I can come over here and select the simplify tool. Now if I should take out this circle from here, you will see that the circle has cropped out that portion over there. I'm going to do that again. So I'm going to place the circle over here and hold down the shift key to highlight it, and select the rectangle to highlight it once more, and select the simplify tool over here. Now if I should take out this circle, so basically that's what the simplify tool does. Now to add it to a keyboard shortcut, the same technique, all you need to do is to come over to tool, come over to option and select customization. You want to search for simplify, which is this over here. Now there is no keyboard shortcut. Simply give it letter S if you choose and hit assign and hit OK. Select this circle and drag it to this portion over here. Okay, so the circle is behind, so I'm going to select this and hold down shift and select this circle. Now if I should hit S on my keyboard and deselect this and drag this portion out, you can see what we've created over here. That's what the simplify effect does. Another important keyboard shortcut is the copy and paste or the duplicate keyboard shortcut. To duplicate an object, all you need to do is to select that object and hit Ctrl D. And as you can see, a perfect duplicate has been created over here. Another important keyboard shortcut is Ctrl G, and is used to group objects together. For example, if I should select this and hold down shift and select these three items and hit Ctrl and G, now if I deselect them all and select them, I can move them all together because they are grouped. And if you want to ungroup them, all you need to do is to select them and hit Ctrl U to ungroup them. Now if I deselect, I can move them individually apart. Lastly, to see all the keyboard shortcuts in CorelDRAW, all you need to do is to come over here to tool once more and select option and select customization and come under commands and make sure that you change it from general to shortcut over here. And you can scroll down here and select view all, and now you can see all the keyboard shortcuts in CorelDRAW. You can even decide to export it, or you can decide to print it. And that's it guys on this section of my CorelDRAW beginner masterclass. Thank you for watching and see you guys tomorrow.